What is up, guys? Today we have unboxing a brief review of the Ulanzi MT-08. It's extendable tripod here. So that's how it looks like. Actually quite affordable and cheap. It costs around $9. I got it on sales. So let's unbox it and check it out what you will find in the box. So this actually brand Ulanzi is well known for accessories, for cameras, for video making. And the quality usually is quite nice. Chinese brand, of course. And what else we have? Nothing here special in the box. So let's unbox it. I have the camera here. So this DJI Action Cam 5 Pro. So let's try it out together. Actually, in the box you'll find only the tripod. Actually, it's not that light. I thought it will be lighter. Not heavy, not light. So how to... Okay, here's magnet even, I guess. Oh no, it's not magnet, it's just fixing like it is manually. So on the top you can control this pot here. Also how to... Okay, it's quite tight. Actually the extension here is not much, I guess. Together it's around even less than 30 centimeters. But for the portable device it's enough, I guess. So altogether you have 27 centimeters. It's not big, so if you need something bigger option, you don't need to buy this one. So let's try it out. Yeah, first we need this extender here for the camera. Okay, let's install it like this. And need one more. Okay, I have the simple device here, so you install it this way to plug in any like camera, then insert here, and I have many tools to fix it, so let's use one of them, small one here. So let's fix it. So you see, for action camera it's getting a bit more difficult than to other cameras or phone. So actually you fix it this way, and you can fix it all around here. So let's stand it up. I will show you how it looks like on a camera. So actually that's how it looks like. You can put down, put up. Also you can put down, put up using this one. So let's try it. For example, you can stand your camera in this direction in case you need to record something down. So also quite convenient. Also you can make it smaller or bigger. So let's see how reliable. Seems quite reliable. So here is the rubber here everywhere, and even on open. Okay, not that reliable as you see. The weight, maybe if you move a bit, it's not that stable as you see. When I just make some small move here, it's already like falling because of the weight of camera, but I don't think you will record quite often in this one. Also you will see the leg, so usually you do it at least like this. So in this point it's more reliable and stable, and of course if you put it down it's even more stable. This way it will be super stable. And in general, I guess for this price, for less than $10, it's a high quality one. With DJI has, for example, knows this regulator here, so you cannot put it up, put it down. And with this thing, you can use it also as a selfie pod, small one like this. Also quite convenient. It's also portable, and the weight, I don't think it's indicated. Let's try to find it, but I don't think it's here. So no weight indicator, but it's actually quite light and reliable. So it's quite convenient to record it this way. Alright, basically that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. Put the thumbs up and see you next time.